Limited budgets, workforce changes, complexities in carrying out predictive maintenance. All these can lead to unscheduled production downtime. Whatever the challenge, downtime is a problem for everyone involved. Knowing the status of assets is critical and should be as simple as it can get. But predictive maintenance measures don't have to be rocket science or break budgets. Monitoring assets can be made simple. With SKF Plug and Play measuring temperature and vibration, it's never been easier for any size of company to understand machine health. The SKF QuickCollect sensor, paired with the SKF Pulse app, gives real-time insights on machine health. A simple color-coded system of green, amber or red instantly indicates whether a machine is healthy or if trouble is on the way. An alert is shown. What is wrong with the machine? What is the plan of action? Is it really critical? And does the asset need to shut down immediately? Or is there time to prepare for planned downtime? Using the SKF Pulse check, detailed fault reports and recommended actions are available at the touch of a button. It's that easy to get diagnostic experts and engineering support remotely working for you to improve overall reliability at your plant. And to keep your workforce trained, SKF e-learnings provide the relevant knowledge in maintenance and reliability topics. Ready to avoid unplanned downtime and increase your production goals? Get started today with SKF Plug and Play. Asset health in the palm of your hand.